Hey everybody, what is going on? Sean here with Zero to Income, and today what I want to do is go through and show you all how to use AI to help you create your code snippets. Now, I am not a coder, and so I need to have some help. You might be in the same boat where you're not a coder, you don't know all the ins and outs of CSS and JavaScript and all that other fun stuff that you would use in developing code snippets for your websites, whether it's system.io or Kajabi, or maybe you're popping something into WordPress and you need a custom code snippet. What we're going to do is go through and show you how to do this if you're struggling with developing your own code snippets. To keep it nice and short for those that need to move on with their day, that too long didn't watch, basically what you want to do is just open up your favorite AI platform. In this case, for the very first time, I'm going to use Mistral.AI, and Dana has been using it lately, and he really likes it, and it's great for code type stuff. Pick your favorite AI platform and just let it know what you're trying to do. In this case, it would be, hey, I'm trying to create a code snippet for system.io. It's going to go into a raw HTML element. I don't need all of the HTML tags and the body tags, so you don't need to put that. Just give me just something that I can pop into a raw HTML element. And what I need to do is, and let's just say that you're trying to create a scrolling testimonials. Okay, that's one of the tools in our toolbox. Again, all the tools I've developed using AI. I'm not a coder, so that's how you would tackle it. That's the gist of it. Now, for those that really want to see this process, what we're going to do is jump over. I'm going to walk you through how I do it. All right, so let's go ahead and jump over. What we're looking at here is the Zero to Income Toolbox. You can sign up in the description down below, and we'll have a link for you to sign up for it, and then you'll have access to all the tools in this toolbox. Again, it's completely free. Okay, so and we have one of these sections in this toolbox are our code snippets, and again, I just mentioned an auto scrolling testimonial carousel. All right, so I get a lot of folks coming to me and saying, hey, can you do this with this code snippet? Can you do this with this code snippet? Yeah, just pull it in the AI. You can actually, and that's what we're going to do this for simplicity sake and keep the length of this video to a minimum. We're going to already use a code snippet that we have already, and we're just going to ask AI to add some features to it. All right, so we're not going to start from ground zero. We're going to actually start, in the middle with a code snippet that we already have, but we're going to ask AI to do something different with it, to add some functionality to it. Okay, so we have our code snippet, and what we're going to do here is, let's just say again, the way this is set up now, the code snippet, it has testimonials that move, testimonial 1, testimonial 2, testimonial 3, but the background is just a clear white background. Okay, so just for fun, let's just say, hey, can we color the background? I don't know if we can or not. I'm guessing that we can. So we're going to go into our free toolbox. Again, if you don't have it, you can sign up for it. We're going to click on copy code. Again, each one of these tools in the toolbox has a drop down, and that drop down, when you click on it, opens up a video that you can watch that I have included to let you know how to use the code snippet. All right. In this case, I already know how to do it. We're just going to click on copy code. The code's been copied. All right, going to go over to Mistral.ai. Again, Mistral.ai is what I'm going to use today. Never used it before at all. This is the very first time. And my very first prompt before this video was, can you help me edit a code snippet that I use on my website on system.io? And it's saying, of course, go ahead, I can help you. All right, so I'm going to say, here is the code snippet. Is there a way to make the background a different color, maybe a light gray? And I'll just say code, and I'm gonna do that. Just pasted it in. All right, and it's going to go ahead and go through and look at that. And sure, We can change the background color. All right, so cool. And it already knows what to call it. I didn't know what to call it, right? It's saying the text carousel container to a light gray. You can add the background color property to the text carousel container class in the style section. Here's the updated code snippet. All right, and this is kind of cool. It gave the complete code snippet. If it doesn't, you just go back to it and say, hey, can you give me the complete code snippet? I'd like to be able to copy it and paste it. So now we just copy it. All right. And then you go over into your system.io account, log in if you aren't already. I'm surprised. Okay. Yeah, it is pulling me in. Okay. And then you go over to your either blogs or sales funnel, wherever the page is that you want to add the code snippet to. In this case, we're going to go over to, I've been using a lot of pages here, and I have a webinar plan here, landing page. We're going to go into edit page. And here what I want to do to show you all what it looks like by default, we're going to go ahead and view it. And right in here, this is our auto scrolling testimonials. So it's moving automatically. Notice it's just a white background. All right. So we're going to change that. I'm not going to change this particular one here. What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go in here and I'm going to add a new raw HTML element. I'm going to scroll all the way down right here. Going to pop this. Yeah, we'll go right below. That's fine. And we're going to click into it. I'm going to do edit code. So I'm clicking on this blue edit code over here on the left. That opens it up. This is the default code. I'm just going to go over it and I'm going to paste in that new code. Now, I didn't change it at all. So it's just going to be, if you go up here and look at this, we have first testimonial, second testimonial, third testimonial. So those are where you would actually change your testimonials. All right. So again, we're working with some existing code here. All we're doing is we used AI to say, hey, can we change this? So if you are happening to use any of these code snippets and want to add something that's not there, this is how you would do it. So we're going to go ahead and click on save. All right. Now what it's done, and this is normal also. All right. Because we're using that code snippet twice, this is getting confused. All right. And so that's only going to come into play if you're using our code snippets twice on the same page. All right. And so what's happened is both code snippets are using similar code. All right. And so what it's doing is it's basically saying the text background on this scrolling testimonial, make it gray. And what that does though, is it's doing it on any testimonial that's on that page. And anytime that we use this tool on a page more than once, it's going to affect all of them. All right. And so one way of doing this also, if you were using it more than once, is you would go back into chat and say, hey, this is affecting it twice. What can we do? And what it's going to do is it's going to call each of these blocks a different thing so it doesn't get confused. So what you're seeing here is normal, but notice it's now gray. All right. And if we refresh it and look at it, boom, we now have our gray background and they're both moving. All right. So there you go. That's how you use AI to either create code. And of course, in this case, all we did was edit code and pop it into either, whatever website platform that you're using, whether it's system.io or Kajabi or WordPress, or you're just popping into an HTML site that you're building. That's how you do it. All right. So if you're really enjoying this, you can subscribe to the channel. And we also have a whole playlist on system.io. There's like over 90 videos now, and that'll really help Dana and I out. But that's it for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.